Welcome to Bike Lab. Today, we're taking a high-speed detour from two wheels to the cutting edge of aerospace technology. We're diving into the legacy, revival, and futuristic capabilities of the 2025 Lockheed YF-12, a Cold War icon reborn in the 21st century. Once a secretive prototype from the legendary Skunk Works team, the YF-12 has returned, not just as a symbol of air superiority, but as a fusion of history and advanced engineering. The origin story: a Cold War supersonic pioneer. Originally developed in the early 1960s, the Lockheed YF-12 was a high-altitude interceptor aircraft derived from the A-12 and a precursor to the famous State Route 71 Blackbird. Designed by Clarence, Kelly, Johnson and built by Lockheed's Skunk Works division, the YF-12 was capable of reaching speeds over Mach 3 and altitudes above 80,000 feet. Though it never entered full production, its design helped shape decades of reconnaissance and military aviation strategy. Why 2025? The need for speed revisited. In a time where hypersonic weapons and autonomous drones dominate military discussions, the 2025 revival of the YF-12 is both symbolic and strategic. Rather than a simple retro build, the modern YF-12 is an advanced testbed and rapid response interceptor built to counter high-speed threats, particularly those posed by near-peer adversaries. Its re-emergence reflects a renewed interest in manned, high-speed platforms that can operate in contested environments. Modern engineering: what's new? The 2025 YF-12 is not just a restoration, it's a complete reinvention. Utilizing cutting-edge materials like carbon-carbon composites and titanium alloys, the aircraft maintains stealth characteristics while handling extreme thermal loads at high Mach speeds. The propulsion system features twin adaptive cycle engines derived from next-gen fighter platforms, enabling efficient performance across subsonic, supersonic, and even hypersonic regimes. Unlike the original Pratt & Whitney J58S, these engines use AI-optimized airflow management and thrust vectoring for agile maneuvering. Avionics and mission systems. Inside the cockpit, or more accurately, the nerve center, the 2025 YF-12 boasts a next-gen digital interface, helmet-mounted displays, and autonomous co-pilot AI. The aircraft uses integrated battlefield data links, quantum-resistant encryption, and onboard electronic warfare suites to stay ahead of emerging threats. Whether flying solo or alongside UAV wingmen, the YF-12 is designed to command and control strike missions at the edge of the atmosphere. Weaponry and tactical role. Unlike its predecessor, which carried early versions of long-range air-to-air missiles, the modern YF-12 comes armed with directed energy weapons, hypersonic interceptors, and advanced electronic jamming pods. While not a traditional dogfighter, its primary role is interception and standoff deterrence. Capable of neutralizing incoming hypersonic missiles, stealth bombers, or low-orbit threats before they reach their targets. A new Skunk Works legacy. Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works remains synonymous with innovation. The 2025 YF-12 isn't a mass-production fighter. It's a tech demonstrator and operational platform used to test radical technologies that may define the sixth-generation air combat ecosystem. Its data is expected to inform upcoming platforms like the NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance, program, giving the U.S. Air Force an edge in an increasingly complex battlespace. Global implications. With rising tensions and accelerating aerospace development in nations like China and Russia, the reintroduction of the YF-12 signals a new phase in the strategic balance. It's not just about speed, it's about presence, capability, and deterrence. By fielding a platform that operates beyond conventional limits, the U.S. demonstrates a willingness to break the ceiling of traditional design constraints. Conclusion: the YF-12 supersonic future. From its Black Project roots in the 1960s to its high-tech rebirth in 2025, the Lockheed YF-12 remains a symbol of bold engineering and strategic foresight. Whether flying classified missions or shaping future airframes, the YF-12 proves that sometimes, to go forward, you have to revisit the past, with Mach 3 vision and 21st-century tools. Thanks for watching Bike Lab. Subscribe for more deep dives into legendary machines, whether they ride the road or rule the skies.